Solana had a really bullish week from a fundamental news standpoint, as per usual. In this video, I'm going to be going over Solana weekly news as an update, and then I'm going to be doing some TA on Solana and see where price action is going to take us next. If you guys like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. I have so much more planned, and it's going to be really exciting to unveil all the work that I'm doing behind the scenes for this channel. But anyways, this is Cali Crypto. My name is Dennis. Let's get into the content. All right, so October is currently on track to be the fourth best month since 2022 for DEX volume. DEX volumes on Solana has been growing pretty significantly since everything that happened with FTX. And that is one thing that you want to be seeing, especially when you're looking at investing into projects like Orca, MarginFi, and a few others, and liquidity staking is becoming a very big thing on Solana as well. So again, liquidity staking on Ethereum is a huge narrative, likely to be similar within Solana because that incentivizes people to lock Solana on, but then still be able to use it within the ecosystem to gain yield and to do other things. So super, super great. Shout out Step Data Insights, Step Finance, great project, great team going on over there. Definitely one worth checking out. So Solana is the best performing major of the last 6 months. So let me zoom in here. When you compare, let me move myself, Aptos, Bitcoin, BNB, Cardano, Ethereum, Solana has been performing like a madman. Solana is the GOAT, Solana is the guy, and Solana is probably going to be that layer one that everyone wants to have and hold when it's trading at 500, when you, my friend, are literally cashing out and buying a Lambo. If you're wise. Do what you want. This is not financial advice anyways. Solana hit 2023 highs. We're going to be doing some TA. So this is exactly what you want to be seeing if you're a Solana holder. Very, very bullish overall on the coin. Again, shout out to that one crypto influencer that I cannot name on this channel at the moment. Buddy said ecosystem is dead, but Solana works. Doesn't make any sense to me, but hey, whatever. What do I know? Breaking, Zeta Markets announced the launch of Z-Score, the curtain raiser for our token. So Zeta Markets is a trading platform that is being built on Solana, and it's just a DeFi perps trading platform. And this Z-Score is kind of interesting. You basically earn on your trading activity on Zeta. Specifically, every $1 in taker volume increases your Z-Score by 1. So yeah, I mean, it's a live trading board for you traders out there that want to try it out. Definitely worth looking into, because perp trading on chain is becoming very, very popular. And you've seen a couple projects go crazy because of it. And, you know, with a lot of these centralized exchanges becoming KYC like mandated, especially for us people in the US, shout out to my US people. DEXs are becoming very popular, and futures trading, perp trading on DEXs is becoming very popular as well. So the guy who called Ethereum going to 25K or whatever he said last bull cycle, who led retail to the slaughterhouse, shout out Raoul Paul, now has a bigger allocation to Solana than Ethereum, making it his biggest crypto asset. That is crazy. Shout out Solana Floor. Sign up for the newsletter. Definitely make sure to check them out. And Raoul Paul, whenever I have you on the channel, at some point I'll have you on the channel. Please don't take this personally. It's all just for fun and games. But awesome to see that you are bullish on Solana over Ethereum, because the beta on Solana versus Ethereum is going to be insane over the next bull cycle. I can't wait to live through it and watch everyone get rich because of it. Solana has had 100% uptime for almost 10 months. Here's the progress status and the risk of the network stability. So I'm not going to go through and read all this for you guys. But one thing I will say is that the fact that Solana has been up for 10 months is huge. If you guys been here throughout the bull market or the last bull cycle, Solana had a couple outages, and that was a huge narrative that was playing against it from a fundamental standpoint. It didn't stop Solana to go from literally 50 cents to 250. And it won't stop Solana from going from where we are now to 250 plus. So definitely one worth checking out in this thread here. Again, shout out to Step Data Insights. And that is the weekly news for the Solana ecosystem and how great Solana is doing from a fundamental standpoint. We're gonna move into the TA. So currently looking at Solana on the monthly time frame, and this is a very, very nice Chad bullish candle that we've been seeing right here. As you can tell, Solana has been doing this like back and forth over the last couple of months, a lot of indecision, and it seems like we're finally breaking out of that. And this key monthly level right here is one that I want to keep an eye on, right? This 2410. If we can get a monthly close above 2410, and again, we close the month in 3 days, that's going to be really bullish for Solana overall. So, and again, another key high that I want to map out on the monthly time frame is this level right here at 32.5, which we're basically at, and it seems like once we zoom in, price action tagged it, and it's rejecting a little bit off of it right now. Going into the weekly time frame, we zoom into those levels that I was just telling you about, and you can see that every time price action got to this 32 level, it really struggled to get above it over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9-ish weeks, I think. Don't count. Actually, what am I doing? Right here, bro. Yeah, so 9 weeks. And yeah, it does seem like we are currently rejecting, which actually makes a lot of sense because price action loves to go towards where the beginning of a drop off is. So you'll notice this in price action when there's a huge drop off like this right here. Like on smaller time frames, and you'll even notice right here there was a huge drop off that ended up getting filled, um, and that just means it's an inefficient move. And if we zoom into the actually before we do that, so that stochastic RSI also getting to the overbought area, so something that I would want to look out for. And again, to me, this still signifies a range. Solana is still range bound, and we are at the top half of the range, and you don't want to be buying that. But anyways, let's zoom into the daily time frame. Quickly get some action as to how things are going. So again, we tagged that really key high monthly level, and we're sitting at this high, right? We took liquidity out from here, this level 32.17, and price action seems to currently be breaking down this trend line. However, you tag your 12 and 21 on the 4 hour, and it seems like we are losing. But on the daily, right, we're still in that bullish structure, right? And we have a lot of support sitting at 27.4. So this is a really key area that I'm going to keep an eye on right here for Sol, because we could always do something like this, right, to go higher, or create some sort of higher low to bleed down lower. Again, once you see a cross of the 12 and 21, my momentum indicator, this is going to tell us around here what's going to happen next. So again, would not be buying here. I'm good. You want to be buying on red days, not on green, not after a green pump. Plus we have this huge inefficient move that could get filled back in. But anyways, that's how I'm seeing price action right now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. There's a lot more coming, like I said in the intro. But guys, like and subscribe. It means the world to me. And I will see you on the next video. Peace.